Hi everybody! Today I'm gonna show you how to make an origami shirt that you can use to put toothpicks in to use at your dinner table. If you like our video, please give us a like, share and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done it. For this video I'm gonna use regular one-color origami paper for a better understanding. For this model, we only need half of the regular origami paper. We'll start with the white side up and fold it in half vertically. And unfold, and fold again vertically to the middle line. On both sides. Then unfold. Turn the model over and fold the top a little bit less than 1 centimeter. And then turn it over again. And we're gonna fold this corner to the last crease we just created and do the same on the left side. And then fold it again to the middle line. Now we're going to fold the bottom again all the way to here. And unfold. And this part is a little bit difficult. So we're going to bring this corner to the side, and to do this I'll insert my finger here and then crease, and then we'll do the same on the left side. So we'll bring this corner here. And then we flatten it. And then we turn the model over and we're going to fold the top again, the white side, white part. And then turn it over again. Now we're going to bring this corner to the middle line about 1 centimeter from the top. And crease, and then do the same on the left side. And then we'll bring the bottom here and insert it here. This is it. Now we can put toothpicks in it. I hope you found our model interesting, and if you did, please give us a like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take a look at the description below this video to find links to other fun origami models and also to some interesting gift wrapping tutorials. See you next time!